So I'll say touch example number 5 on variables concept.sh. So I'll open this file and I'm planning to write the code. So I'll write shebang statement /usr. Let me increase the font size. Yeah, /usr/min/bash. So first of all, you guys know why I have written that. I think we discussed about this yesterday. Am I right? Tell me guys, did we discuss this about yesterday? Yeah. So that is called shebang statement. Correct? Yeah. So always when you write your program, so please don't miss on this. Shebang statement is mandatory. Then I'm writing a comment. So this is a use case. Okay. Program on use case of variables concept. So we'll say a is equal to 10. See, I'm using the same logic. I'm not writing any complex. Then I'll say b is equal to 20.50. C is equal to AP28 DC 0505. And D is equal to welcome to India. I've written the double quotes. Now see guys. Okay. Echo. What is the use of echo? You remember? You remember guys, what is the use of echo? So the purpose of the echo is simply to do a print only, nothing complex there. So I'm asking echo, see, the value of A is, okay, close the bracket. See, it will print on the screen. The value of the A is, then if you want to call the value of a variable, so dollar symbol you have to use. So in entire shell scripting, we'll use the dollar symbols. So I want to say A. So what happens is it will call the A. So what is sitting in the A now? So dollar symbol will call the value of a variable. You have to remember this logic, guys. Value of a variable. So I'm asking here. So please come the value of the variable A. So in the variable A, the value is 10. So on the screen, it will print the value of the A is 10. So let's quickly do it and show you. So chmod u plus x example number 5 sudo sh example number 5. You saw? You understood how come it is coming? Those are people from non-programming background, guys. Am I clear on this? You need to understand what is dollar is doing there. Correct? Okay, that's most important here. Then let's write. I want to get the B also. Then how I should write? Tell me what's the logic. I should say echo the value of B is $B. So let's try this. Execute once again. See, the value of A is 10 and the value of B is 20.50. Again, I'll update the program. So I'm just trying to write so slowly or very basic level because some of you are from non-programming background. That's the reason. So the value of P is, now see how I'm writing. $C. See, in the earlier two examples, I just written the $A value outside of this double quotes. Okay. But this time I'm writing inside the double quotes. So it does not matter whether you keep that value outside the double quotes or inside the double quotes, but only thing is it's all about the design work. Design, how you want to get the output. So let's try this. See? Understood? So the value of this C is this. Now we can't get all the values in a, we can write in a single line, maybe 70. That is what you're asking. But we'll try to do in the next example. But at this, we'll do it basic level. Okay. The next, the value of D is, it's up to you whether you want to keep the $D inside the brackets, inside the double quotes or outside of the double quotes, guys. Save this and close. Now let's see. You got all the values now? 10, 20.50. Are we clear on this program, guys? So we are not focusing on the program there. We are focusing on understanding of how you enter the value into a variable and how you are able to retrieve it. So that is what you have to focus. So variable declaration and how we are able to pull the data from that variable. Okay, so that's the essence of this program. So please take down this example quickly. So do it and let me know. So is it done? So what happened to this? Second, I want to give the approval. Yeah, write this. Is it done, guys? Please confirm. Arun, is it done? Atif, Ranga, Divya, Naik. Yeah. So the essence of this program is you need to know how to feed the values into a variable and how to extract the data from the variable. That's it. Now I want to show you one gimmick here, one small gimmick in another program. So what I'll do is I'll write one more, won't tell you. Example number 6, same variables concept. Okay, dot sh. So this sometimes in real time, whatever I'm going to write will definitely will help you. Output into a variable. This is the use. So let's say we know a is equal to 10. Just an example, let's say 50. So if you say echo, the value of a is how much, guys? If I say $A, what it will print on the screen? What it will print on the screen? 50. So let's see that. So let's give the permissions. Yeah, the value of a is 50. Now this is simple only, but this is where we want to do the gimmick now. Now, how many of you know the date command in Linux? You know the date command in Linux, guys? What is the use of date command? What is the use of date command? Simple. It will print the current date and time. Okay, that's the use of date command. So B is equal to date. Do you think it will work? Do you think it will work, guys? So let's try and see, because always trying is nothing wrong. So I said B is equal to data. We know that date there is a command. So let's try. See, it is simply saying the date, but it is never printing the date there. Okay. Now the same program, I'll improvise it better. I'll improvise it better. Let's see. I'm writing another line. I'll say echo and wantonly doing some design work here. And I'll say here date. You understood what I'm doing? I just directly written date here. I'll just go there and try this. It's working here, but it is not working here. So what do you understood? Everybody understood now what magic I'm doing? So if I write it separately, it is working. Okay. But when I'm trying to put that into a variable, it seems to be not working. So for this use cases, there is a special thing. So B is equal to, we have to write like this. Our program is what? The program on the use case of feeding the output, command output into a variable. That is our target. See, date, definitely it will execute. And whatever the value that you got, I want to put that into the variable B. If that is your target, then you have to use the backcodes. How many of you know the backcodes? It is not single code, guys. This is called backcode. So on your keyboard, it will be here. If you're not sure what is a backcode. So let me open a Virtual's keyboard. Open this. So backcode, I'm talking about this one. Beside the escape key, you have this tilde symbol, and you see that small, it looks like a single code, but that is not single code. That is called backcode. So in the shell scripting, whenever you are firing a command, so this is a command I know, the command output should go and sit in a variable. If that is your target, then you have to use the backcode. Now the same program will work effectively. So I'm removing this now. It's not required. Okay. So I removed this. Let's see. Executed the program. You got your output. What is B value now? See, the value of the B is so and so. Make sense, guys? So date got executed, and whatever the output of the date went and sat in the B, and we are calling the B guy now. So that is a difference. So this is called, this is technically always will help you in the real time, guys. Got it? So please take down this program. Take down. Real times, in real time, you'll come across a situation where you'll definitely feel that the output of the command, I want to divert that into a variable. And once I divert, you'll feel that, okay, I want to do something with it. So if that is a logic, then you have to try this method using the backcodes. Have you understood Kavya, Kirti, Sravya? Okay, nice. Okay, so I hope you guys have taken this program. Is it done? Okay, nice. Now let's move on with what's next. So we came to know how to, okay, now we'll focus on how to reading. So this is a point of interest for you. So let's see. Okay. So we example number 7 on read data from input.sh. I'm writing the program. Shebang / USR. Still we are doing the basics only, guys. We did not go into the automation. So to do the automation, first of all, basics are required. So /USR bin bash. Okay, so this is the use case on read the data from input. So let's see. Echo enter your name. I'll say read commands. There is a statement called read. Okay, there is a command called read. Read what? Thereafter, you need to give the variable. So whatever you enter there, it should go and sit in a variable. So I'll say std underscore, or let's say s underscore name. Is it a valid variable, guys? Tell me. Yes underscore name, is it a valid variable? Yes or a no? The answer is yes. So let's try quickly. So let's do one thing. Huh? Echo. So we'll say output. We'll say echo. Your name is dollar s underscore name. So let's try this. Chmod u plus x, example number 7. Sudo sh, example number 7. So it is asking, please enter your name, right? So I'll say my name is Kumar. See, your name is Kumar. It is printing. Now what we'll do is we'll wantedly make a mistake. Wantedly. So I know that this is the right, but wantedly I'll remove this and I'll add a exclamation symbol. Do you think it will work? See? You see the error? So you should also try the experimenting like this, guys. Not only learning the right things, you should also know the wrong things also how. So that you will be in debugging, you'll able to know why it is coming. So it is not a valid identifier. See? That means you written something here crazy, which is not acceptable by shell scripting. So let's do this some correction there. So this is not right. So what we'll do? We'll remove this and we'll use continuously. Now let's say we entered the name. Next, echo. Enter your state. So read state. Echo enter your town. Whatever it is. I'll say read town. So I want to print all of them. So what I'll do, comma, your state is dollar state and your hometown is dollar town. You see everything I've written in a single line. I can separate them also. I can say echo name. I can say echo your state. I can also write echo your hometown. So 3 separate statements I can write, but everything I combined in the single line. So it's all about the design work, guys. How you wanna get it. So save this and let's execute. Vikram state Telangana HYT. You see? So Vikram, your state is TS and your hometown is Hyderabad. So here, the purpose of the program is to make you understand how to read the data from the input. So here the essence is you're trying to learn the read command here. And whatever you enter, it goes and sits in this variable. Make sense? Have you got it, Mayuri, Monica, Nagreddy? Okay, so please take down this example quickly. So is it done, guys? Okay, nice. I hope you guys have taken down this. Okay, fine. Oh, just give me a minute. Okay, so now let's move on with the next example. So we came to know how to enter the data independently. Now the next example is you need to know how to enter the data in a single go. So multiple values are there and you want to enter in a single go. So if that is the case, and this is how we need to write. So VI example number 8, read date, multiple data now. .sh. Shebang statement /usr /bin/flash program on use case of reading multiple data sets. So let's see. Echo, enter your name, state. Okay, enter your name, class. That's it. We'll say read whatever he enters, I'll put it in s_name. Give a space. So this is very important, guys. Normally we have a habit of putting a comma, but in shell scripting, we don't use commas. So read s_name space. So whatever you enter the name, it will go and sit in the name. Then next you will enter the class, right? So that should go and sit in the class. I'll say student_class. Done. Echo, enter the marks in Telugu, Hindi, English languages. I'll say read Telugu, English, or ENG. I'll write in the short formats so that you'll have differentiation, and this is ENG. Next one is IN, Hind, and ENG. You see? So whatever the mark that you enter in the Telugu, it will go and sit in the tel, and Hindi, it will sit in Hind, and English, Ingle, right? ENG. So echo, enter the marks in maths, science, and social. Read maths, math, science, and you can write use anything as social. Done. Now let's see the output. While execution also there will be little difference. So that is what you need to keep focus. So I'll say echo your name is dollar s underscore name and class is s underscore class. Okay, this will not work because we have to use dollar symbol there. Forgot the dollar. Okay. The next echo your marks in Telugu. How much, guys? How I should write? Dollar, can I say it's tel? Right? Do you agree? We'll do all the updates in a single go. I'm writing wantedly separately so that it should look like an attendance, sorry, marks card. In the it is in, I guess, your marks in English. So here it is ENG. And here it is maths. No, it is not maths, math. And it is maths. And this is science and SSCI. And this is social. Makes sense, guys? You understood how the words are being used here, consumed here. Now let's focus on the program, how it is being getting executed. I save this. Chmod u plus x example number 8. And sudo sh example number 8. Now see, it's asking your name. I'll enter the name first. Now, normally we have a habit of pressing enter to enter another data. So please don't do that mistake here. So it is asking your name and class also. Once you enter the first data, give a space, don't press enter. Next thing is you need to enter the class now. So I'll say I am 10th class, 10. Okay. That's it. Now press enter. It's asked the marks in Telugu, Hindi and English. The values should be separated by spaces. Telugu I'll enter something like 40. I'll give a space. Hindi I'll enter some 50. I'll give a space. English I'll enter 60. So once you're done with your entering, then only press enter. Now it is asking maths. I'll enter 70. Science 80. Social 90. That's it. You got your output, see? From here you have the output. Vikram, class 10. These are the marks. Easy? So you understood the difference of while execution, guys. So whatever the details it is asking, enter the details, separate them by spaces. Don't be in hurry to press the enter. Only after you fill the details, press the enter. Now, take down this program. Quickly write this program. So is it done? Rajat, Pavan, Prithvi, Rahul, Samir. Okay, Sravanti says it's done. How about others? Okay, so I see a couple of guys are done. Can I close this, guys? Please confirm. Okay, nice. Now let's see what's next. So we came to know how to read multiple variables. The next thing is, okay, P option we'll see. So what is this P stuff? So VI example number 9, read statement option is P dot sh. Shebang statement slash USR slash bin slash bash. Program on use case of 1 second. So I'll tell you why I'm doing this after 2 programs. Okay. One more program will do, then I'll tell you what I'm doing quick so that you'll know the live things. Okay, so program on the use case of read statement using P. Now, I'll write normally. Echo same. Enter your name, small, same. We'll say read, let's say S name, student name, right? You understood these 2 lines, guys? I hope you already know this stuff. Now, read, instead of writing these 2 separate lines, I can also write like this. That is the use of C. I commented them, it will not work. I'll say read -P single quote, enter your name, close the single quote. We should not use the double quote there, single quote. Then give a space, then type S underscore name. So whatever you written here, this is exactly same like this. So the flexibility of the echo statement that you're trying to write separately, you can integrate that functionality into the read command by using the option P. So I read it. So let's say read -P. Enter your ID. Okay. So S underscore ID. Now see, what you will do? What we'll do, guys? We'll print it. Echo. Your name is $S underscore name and ID is $S underscore ID. That's it. Save this and close. So VI example number, sorry, chmod u plus x example number 9 sh sudo sh example number 9. It's asking the name Vikram, roll number is, let's say, some 500. So it is printing my name. And so here the essence is, you will see some people writing like this also. Clear what you are trying to separate. So if you're writing in this fashion in the first 2 lines, that is completely basic style. And if you're trying to write like this is little bit advanced type. Yeah, take down this program guys quickly. And let me know when this has been done. So is it done guys? Please confirm. Samir, is it done? Sanjay, Shashul, Sheikh, Sravanti, Sushmita. Okay. Nice. So let me close this. And what's next? B we understood. Okay, S is also there. So let's write now. Example number 10. Same read statement using the option S now. S.sh. Shebang statement slash USR slash bin slash bash. Program on use case of read statement using option -s. So what is this -s step? So let's see. Read -p. Enter your username. Can I write like this? Please identify. Can I write like this? So definitely I've written something wrong in that line. So what is that something wrong in that line? You have to identify guys. Yes. So I'm using double quotes. You have to use single quotes. Okay, single quotes. So these are simple fundamentals. So definitely it will go and ask the username. Then I will enter the username. It will exit. Now read -p -s. See, I'm attaching both. I'm using both options now. -p and -s. I'll say enter your secret key. So S_key. The next read S and P. Is it when you're clubbing them? S and P you should enter. Enter your secret code. S_code. Echo. You'll understand what is the use of this shortly in a minute. U_name and S key is secret key is S_key and $S_key and the code is $s underscore code. Okay. So what this S is going to do, let's see. Save this and come out. We'll say chmod u plus x example number 10. Sudo su example number 10. Okay. Yeah. Press enter. Okay, what happened? And the user error read statement does not exist. Oh, sorry, it is not sudo su. It is sudo sh. Okay. So it's asking our username, right? So I'll enter Vikram. Next. There is an error in the program. So we have to see that. So Control C because it's not executing properly. Where is that error? Here we forgot the double quotes. And here also. We're not supposed to write like this. S hyphen S and hyphen P. So these are all crazy things of shell scripting, or will use same as P. So save this and close. Or I'll write like this so that you can understand basics, right? I'm changing this line to make you more comfortable so that you'll know what is exactly happening instead of confusion. I hope you understood the first line now. Now see the second line. Enter echo. Enter your secret key. Then I'll say read hyphen s underscore key. Easy? Understood? Here I'm using hyphen s. Okay. Now this also I'll modify. I don't want to write like this. Very basic style so that you will understand. Enter your secret code. We'll say read hyphen s underscore code. Easy guys, please confirm. Have you understood these two lines? I'm just using hyphen s here and you'll see what happens now. Save this and close and let's run this. Vikram, and it is asking the secret key. See, enter your secret key. So I'm going to enter something now, which is not visible on the screen. So that is the use of hyphen s. So whatever you type, let's say I'm typing 1, 2, 3. I typed already, but it is not visible on the screen. So anything that you're typing, it should not be visible on the screen during the input. You have to attach hyphen s option. Into the read statement, you need to use hyphen s because normally in the passwords, example, when you're entering the password, it should not be visible, right? So under maybe certain programs you'll come across where, or situations you'll come across where whatever you're entering, it should not be visible on the screen. So under that circumstances, we'll use hyphen s. Next, it is asking the code. I'm entering as a 2023 code. Press enter. You see, your name is Vikram, your S key is 123, and the code is 2023. You understood, guys? When I'm entering the data, I typed, but it is not visible on the screen. But it is able to tap the information and it is able to output the data. Am I clear, Upendra? Sushmita? Yeah, take down this program, guys. Please take down this program. There is no full formats, man. They just give -p, -s. That's it. S means silent. Normally -s. So please write this program. So I'm exhausted. So is it done, guys? Vijay, is it done? Visweshwar? Okay. Nice. So let me close this. And yeah. So till here we finished. Next part is little advanced, guys. So silent mode is also done. So next part is we're done with the basics, guys. Completely basic. So you came to know how to feed variables. You came to know how to read multiples, multiple data, and -s, -p. So these are all basic stuff only. So tomorrow there is no class. Tomorrow there is a festival, guys, Ugadi festival. So there is no class tomorrow. And you have to come day after tomorrow. That is on Thursday. Got it? Fine. So that's all from the day. But let's see what is this. So this is getting deployed failed. So our entire team logged off. Huh? So what I should do? So the problem is it is not trying to deploy in the cloud PC. PCF means Dell Pivotal Cloud, like AWS, like Azure, like GCP. So this is the Dell Cloud, and it is unable to authenticate. So it's not able to log in. If it's logged in, then it will deploy the application. So it's unable to log in here. So the password is SMC. Yeah, this user and this is a password, exactly right. I identified the right thing. So this password expired. Okay, so the problem is password expired, and once they update the password, then all the deployments will work. So till the time, it will not work. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's all for the day, and I'll try to update all the notes in your this one. Okay, I'll do it. I'll copy paste all the screenshots there. And again, I repeat,